If you're ready to create a pantry that you and your kids will love, stay tuned.
Hey, good people. Welcome to Mommy Room Redo, a show created to help you moms design homes that you'll love and your kids will enjoy. In this episode, we're going to be doing a pantry redo, and I really need it.
So watch me revamp this pantry in 7 simple steps. Let's get started. Step 1, clean out your pantry. Believe it or not, this was my real pantry. And yes, it was overstocked, overloaded. It's just a hot mess. I couldn't find anything. I didn't know what I had. So as a first step, I cleared everything out. Step 2, sort and toss. So I put all of the items that I wanted on the island, and all of the items that I didn't want went straight to the trash. Step 3, organize your items.
So here I am in my dining room, and I'm using my dining room as a space where I can organize the food items. As you see here, I have my disinfectant spray to clean off the table and any of the other items I've been storing, as well as my disinfectant wipes. And when I actually start handling the food, I'll do so in these plastic gloves. So I've seen a lot of pantry redos, but I've never seen anyone take precautions since you're handling food. So that's just my thing. Anyway, I'm excited to go through my list of goods. These came from the dollar store, and these came from Home Goods. I imagine that this will be used for bigger items, and this might be used for my dry goods. But as I'm sorting out the food items that I actually have, I'll determine them at that time. This is actually what I'm going to put my cereal in, and I'm excited about that. I got this from Burlington Coat Factory for $6.99. I've also got these from Burlington, and I've been looking for these bins for a while. It's not that I couldn't find them, it's that they're super expensive when you order them. And so at Burlington, they're $4.99, and I thought that was pretty reasonable. This right here I got from Amazon.com, and I was looking for something for my pasta. So these bins are specifically for pasta, and they even come with a pasta cutter. So this is exactly what I was looking for to store my pasta. This I got from Home Goods for $5. I'm not quite sure if I'll need it, but since it was so inexpensive, I bought it anyway, and I can always return it if I end up not using it. This is a favorite of mine. I bought this from Lowe's, and you see these at various retailers, but this is the largest one that I've seen. And it has this plastic on here that holds the items in place. And so I think this is the best one that I've seen. So it's pretty large, it stretches out, and I think this will be perfect for my pantry. So I purchased this after this particular shelf. So again, I may not use this shelf, we'll see. But I love, love, love this. Okay, so these are my super large airtight storage containers. I got these from Amazon, and this is for things like my sugar, my flour. I planned out what I was going to use these for in advance. So I think I have 8 of them, and what I was thinking is my regular flour, my cake flour, my brown sugar, my regular sugar, and some of my other dry goods would be perfect for these larger containers. So I have that. This is the kitchen rack organizer. I also got this from Amazon, and this is the organized items like your Ziploc bags, your aluminum foil, and things like that. So once I open this and set it up, you'll see how it works. Oh, and this is a Lazy Susan, which I love, love, love. This is a circular moving tool where I can put things like ketchup, seasoning, and things like that. And it doesn't take up a lot of space, and I can manipulate it to be able to pick things out of it pretty smoothly. So I bought 2 of these. And I'm excited about these. I think I'll probably purchase more of these for the refrigerator. But right now, I purchased them for the pantry. Yes! And these items right here are for the decoration. For now, I'm going to start organizing the items so that I can see what I'm going to use and what I'm not going to use. After I wipe everything down and put on my gloves, I'll then be able to put everything in the food containers.
Step 4, redesign your shelves. Click the link above for an entire video on how we redesigned our pantry shelves. We showcase 2 approaches, one where you'll be using foam board and contact paper, and the other method is where you'll use closet-made liners, which are prefabricated liners that will take you just seconds to install. Step 5, adjust your lighting. I use the GE 24-inch long fluorescent bulb. It's a 20-watt T12 active spaces or daylight fluorescent light bulb. It provides a very cool bluish white light that you will love. These lights are perfect for spaces like a playroom or a pantry. I got it at Lowe's for just $8.98, but you may find a cheaper option at Walmart. Step 6, add your chalkboard.
This right here, I love, love, love. I believe I got this from Lowe's. It's either Lowe's or Home Depot. I think it's Lowe's. And this is a reversible. This is the marker side of the board, and then this is the chalkboard. I'm excited about this because I wanted to be able to write items that either I've run out of, or recipes, or notes to the kids in the pantry. So this item will be awesome to be able to accomplish that.
You can get it at Home Depot for $6.28. If you do make this buy, you'll have to get it cut down to fit the size of your door, so measure your door before you buy. Also, pick up some clear double-sided mounting tape so that you can attach it. Step 7, label and place. In this final step, we label and place the canisters and other items that we purchased. I used the tall canisters for spaghetti, lasagna, and snacks. There's my cereal canister. I used my Lazy Susan for olive oil, apple cider vinegar, cooking wine, syrup, and other bottled items. There's my bread and bun basket. And then my larger canisters are used for white sugar, brown sugar, rice, flour, cornmeal, pancake mix, and other dry goods. My bottled water is on the bottom shelf. The other side of my pantry houses canned goods, peanut butter, aluminum foil, garbage bags, and other stock. A word of caution before you go crazy on your pantry redesign. Stop if you can't find a real use for an item. Otherwise, you'll find yourself overbuying and overstocking, and your pantry will be at the same point where you started. For example, these canisters from Home Goods looked great, but then I realized I really prefer clear canisters. And this added shelf was really cool, but I didn't find it practical to use. So try to be wary when you shop and only buy from stores that will refund your money if you decide you don't want the item. So here are the results. It probably took me about 3 weeks to complete this project because I did it between working, mothering, and a little procrastinating. Here's the before. Items were everywhere. Not only was it extremely cluttered, but the space was dark, so I didn't know what supplies I had. And here's the after. A beautifully lit, super organized space for food and other kitchen supplies. Comment down below to tell me what you think and post a picture of your pantry.
Thanks for tuning in.